Hi beauties and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and today we're going to be doing a spring try-on haul for Halara. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Halara, but I will be giving you all my honest opinions on these pieces. As usual, I'll be linking all these items in the description box down below. And don't forget, if you like any of the stuff from this video or you want to shop at Halara, use my discount code RANDY20 for 20% off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Here is all the stuff that we're going to be trying on today. For reference, I'm a size extra small in Halara. By the way, we have some construction going on outside of our house, so if you hear anything, I pre-apologize. I am trying my best to talk around the noise. So I'm actually going to start at this angle so we can try on all the tops first. The top that I'm actually wearing right now is also Halara. This is from one of the previous try-on hauls that I've done. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this is one of my most worn tops this year. I just love how it fits and it has the perfect cut for my jean sizes, and I just love this top. Which means we're gonna start off with just a basic that I feel I wear almost every day. It's just a simple, strappy, white tank top, but the amazing thing about Halara is almost all their tops have little built-in bras, so you don't have to worry about the bra situation. Like, look at this top on and tell me if this isn't the most essential staple you'll have in your closet. You can use this tank top under almost any top. It's basically a bra and an undershirt in one. And the straps are just so nice and thin, and they just feel such high quality. Here it is from the back. Very simple, literally perfect for everyday wear. And of course, you know, Halara has a wide selection of colors, so this tank top comes in like so many different color options. I just find that white is perfect to go under absolutely anything. Let's open the next one. While we do have warm days in spring, it's mostly chilly in North Carolina, so I got this perfect little workout top. It's cropped in baby blue, so it's very spring, but it still has the long sleeves just in case I get chilly. So I'm clearly not wearing a bra right now, but I would definitely recommend wearing a sports bra with this. This is very cropped, I love it. And of course we have our little thumb holes. I like to do the reach test just to kind of test out, you know, when you're working out, when you're lifting your arms, how the tops, you know, will react. And this one's kind of staying in place. It's already a cropped top, so it goes up so far, so I don't think that's an issue. Here it is from the back. Very pretty. I am just so in love with this baby blue for spring. Ugh. I'm just excited for spring in general. I forgot to mention how soft and stretchy the materials are. Like, Halara is just next level comfortable. Okay, so let's move on to the last top. Oh, okay. So I really like the thick straps on this tank top and the cut. It's a lot different from the other tank tops that I have from Halara. And the back also has a very similar cut. But the thing about Halara tank tops is I always feel my best in them. They just snatch me so nicely and they fit perfectly. And the built-in bra situation is just always the most convenient and comfortable thing. And I love this pink little color for spring. Okay, come on. Oh. Okay, seriously, Halara has done it again. How is it that I feel like this tank top fits me better than almost all their other tank tops? But I also feel like all their other tank tops fit me better than anything else. So this just fits so flawlessly. And the material, oh my gosh. The material is seriously like butter. This just feels so form-fitting, but in a good way, like in a comfortable, cozy, confident way. I officially think I need this tank top in every color. I can't get over how comfortable this is. And cute. And one of the best things about Halara clothes is that like you can wear them whether you're working out or just going out. So this tank top is perfect for going to the gym, but you can also wear it to dinner or brunch. And I'm actually wearing Halara jeans right now, and I have a bunch of pairs of Halara jeans. And I think I can actually say that you can work out in Halara jeans as well if you wanted to. Yeah, you'd look a little funny in the gym wearing denim, but literally it's probably stretchier than some people's workout pants. So now that we've tried on some spring tops from Halara, let's move on to some spring jackets. A lot of people think that Halara is just activewear, but really they have a wide variety of clothes. Like, how freaking cute is this teddy bear jacket? Oh my gosh, it is so soft. The material just feels like a stuffed animal. Stop. Oh my gosh. I feel like a teddy bear right now. I'm so sorry, they're cutting a tree down in the background, so if you hear that, I apologize. But let's just take a moment for this jacket. I literally feel and look like a teddy bear. It's so cozy. Okay, so what I'm envisioning for this jacket is wearing it out for like coffee at a cute little coffee shop on a chilly spring day. Does that not feel like the vibe for this jacket? That's what I envision at least. And it's got a nice little zipper, so you can be all bundled up if you want. Oh my gosh, this is so warm and cozy. And the material is almost softer on the inside. It does look like a little bit of a different material. Oh, you just have to try it. You have to try it on. And honestly, I'm kind of loving the pink with this brown. Like, that's kind of cute too. And here is the jacket from the back. Super cute, super cozy. So I did get this jacket in a size small instead of an extra small because I like to wear my jackets a little bit bigger just in case I'm wearing bulky clothes underneath. And I feel like it fits absolutely perfect. It's so cozy, just a little bit oversized, and it's just so good. All right, let's move on to the next jacket. So this is actually a rain jacket for spring, and I got it in black so it's pretty neutral so I can wear it with just about anything. And it does have a little hood as well. As you know, with spring comes spring showers. So we're gonna be getting a lot of rain this spring. I love the length of this jacket. I don't know if you can see how long this goes. It goes all the way. Let me see if I can stand up a little bit. Can you see it there? This jacket goes all the way down to my knees, which is awesome. So if it's really heavily raining, I don't have to worry about getting wet. I also love how it has a zipper and snap button so you feel extra secure if it's like really wet outside. This will be perfect if you're wearing something really cute, like a really cute dress at an event and it just so happens to be raining and you don't want to ruin your clothes. And I feel like the black is very sleek and elegant. Here it is from the back. As you can see, we've got a little hood so we can keep the hair dry too. And it's got nice deep pockets as well. I also noticed it kind of cinches at the waist, so it kind of brings it in so you don't look like a big box, which is very feminine, very elegant, and I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to pants. I'm not gonna lie, these lilac yoga pants were definitely the piece that I was the most excited about. I've just been wearing Halara's similar styles to the gym recently, and they're seriously better than every other workout pants that I have. They're just so soft and so stretchy and so comfortable, and they just fit so nicely. So I was thinking I definitely needed a color for spring. So let's go ahead and try these on. Oh my gosh, I think these are officially my new favorite pair of workout pants. I don't know if you can see how well these pants go with my cute little socks, but oh my gosh. The combination is doing it for me. Just in general, the color of these is just so perfect. I'm obsessed. And I love how well Halara's workout pants fit. The material is just so soft and they squeeze you just enough to where you feel like snatched, but you don't feel uncomfortable during your workout. I'm not gonna lie, I already had a workout outfit planned for tomorrow's Pilates class, but I'm kind of thinking this top and these pants. So cute. And here they are from the back. So comfortable. I am wearing a thong today, so you might also have to wear a thong to get that seamless look. And I love how they have pockets on the side. They're seriously just so perfect. I literally don't even want to take these off. The colors are just totally doing it for me, and it's just so comfortable, and I just feel so cute in this outfit. I definitely think I'll need these workout pants in every color as well. By the way, Halara has a wide variety of sizes, so the chances of you not finding your size is basically impossible. So a definite 10 out of 10 for these. Let's try the next pair. So I didn't want to do pastels for everything. Sometimes a good neutral in the spring is just what you need. I thought this light brown was just so pretty, kind of going off of that teddy coat vibe. I love this color. It's so neutral, so light. It's not like a super dark brown where it's giving winter, but you can pair this up with some lighter colors to make it more springy. And once again, this is another one of Halara's activewear pants. I love their activewear pants, and I've been going to a lot of Pilates classes and to the gyms. So I've really been wearing a lot of these style pants recently. So let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, so I'm really loving this color. The color is kind of everything. This is the perfect neutral for spring, so you can pair all your fun lighter colors with it. Once again, the fabric is just so soft and tight to where it's like snatching you but not making you uncomfortable. And I always love their little side pockets here, so nice. I did forget to mention that these have the butt lifting technology right here. It's Squat test. I can't really see my butt right now, but I'm hoping it's doing something for it. I can definitely feel it lifting my butt. It's kind of funny because I feel like these pants also go with these socks perfectly. Like the blue pants matched with the blue and the brown is now matching with the little brown in it. And I even feel like this pink top goes perfect with the brown pants too. These are so comfortable and they're gonna be so easy to style with just about anything because of the color. Personally, I think I prefer the lilac pair better just because I don't really have an issue with needing my butt lifted, but I can definitely feel this back here. So I feel like I prefer the other ones where they just feel like regular pants. And also I think I prefer the color just because I'm a bit more girly. I mean, I love a good neutral, but I love some cute colors. Honestly though, I'm kind of in love with both of them. They're kind of exactly what I needed for my workout collection. Last but not least, let's try on these cute cozy pants. These technically aren't workout pants, but you could work out in them if you want, but these are just some soft, cozy pink little pants. And I felt like they'd be so cute to style for spring. Let's try them on. Okay, so I just had to double check the size because these looked a little big on me and I thought maybe they might be a small, but they are an extra small. It's funny because at first when I went to put them on, I unzipped this thinking that's how you put them on, but they just have zipper pockets, which is super useful for soft pants like this because sometimes you accidentally lose things that you put in these soft type pants pockets because it just slips out, but this way it won't allow anything to slip out. So I'm usually a size 2 or 25 in the United States, and these just seem quite baggy on me. So if you're typically a size 0 or below a size 25 in pants, I probably wouldn't recommend this particular style just because they are a bit bigger. I feel like the material is just a little bit of a looser fabric, so like the tightness just doesn't come in as much with this like looser fabric. Don't get me wrong, they're still super cute, super cozy. Like I feel when I change my standing position, they kind of seem like they fit a bit better, like they're supposed to fit loose like that. But if I'm standing just straight like this, I feel like they do look a little bit too big. Here they are from the back. This material is just so soft. Even if these are just going to be lounge pants, I'm obsessed. I feel like these are just the softest, coziest little pants for spring. Thank you so much again to Halara for sponsoring today's video. If you liked any of the pieces in today's video or you'd just like to place an order with Halara, don't forget to use my code RANDY20 for 20% off. And all the items from today's video will be linked in the description box down below. If you'd like to give your feedback to Halara on some of their newest items, go ahead and check out Halara Circle where you can give them your honest feedback on some of their newest pieces. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.